Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing your Thermomix TM5. In this video, we will cover the essential steps to diagnose and fix common issues that may arise with your device. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. These tools will help you access the internal components of your Thermomix safely. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix and removing the bowl. This is crucial for your safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the machine. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the control panel. If you encounter any resistance, double check for any screws you may have missed. Now that you have access to the internal components, inspect the wiring for any signs of damage or disconnection. A common issue with the TM5 is a loose connection that can cause the device to malfunction. If you find any loose wires, carefully reconnect them, ensuring they are secure. If you notice any debris or buildup inside, it's essential to clean the internal parts. Use a soft cloth and a mild cleaning solution to wipe down the surfaces. Avoid using excessive moisture, as this can damage the electrical components. As you work, remember that if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify issues and provide you with a clear understanding of what needs to be done. Next, let's address the blades. If your Thermomix is not chopping or blending effectively, the blades may need to be replaced. To do this, locate the blade assembly and use the spanner to unscrew it from the base. Replace it with a new blade assembly, ensuring it is tightly secured before reassembling the device. After replacing any components, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the top cover back on, ensuring all wires are tucked away safely. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but not overly so, as this can strip the screws. Before you plug your Thermomix back in, double check that everything is in place. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home. This means you can have your device picked up, repaired, and returned without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. Once you're confident everything is secure, plug in your Thermomix and test it. Check all functions to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Knowing the costs up front can help you make informed decisions about your appliance. In summary, repairing your Thermomix TM5 can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. By following these steps, you can address common issues and maintain your device effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your repair journey. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.